We're almost there. Well, hello all my friends. It seems like it has been a lifetime since I've spoke to you, especially past the 2 years. It seems like I just dropped off a year ago because of all the craziness that was going on in my life, and I'm sure you guys have gone through so much as well. And I really just wanted to get on here to tell a little bit about my story for the past 2 years. I have made changes in my life that just really rewired the way that I am, the way that I think, and the way that I navigate life as well. And about 2.5 years ago, well, pretty much at the beginning of the pandemic, I decided that I didn't know which way the world was gonna go. I didn't know how things were gonna end up, so I ended up quitting my job so that I could work on myself, work on being more of an entrepreneur and a creator and an artist as well, something that I'm very passionate about. And I have wired my life in that direction so that I can be more sustainable by myself without other people's decisions. One of the things that I did to make sure that I can navigate life by myself without other people making decisions for me was going back to school to be a barber, because I'm very personable. Most of the people who know me on here know that I'm a very personable person, and being a barber is something that's very artistic, and I can talk to people and really see the opinions on life to have conversations from other individuals. I just want to be an artist and be able to live by my own means. Follow me real quick. You know what I think would be cool? Is the world has been so negative lately. If you could, in the comment section below, if you want to, tell me what you have changed in your life in the last 2.5 years to make your life more positive. That's up to you. Don't let life control you. You need to control life, because we're all gonna die. And I mean, I understand a lot of people have anxiety and depression and things like that, and also I suffer with a lot of anxieties, but I've learned how to fight through them without medication. Not saying that that's bad, but I've learned how to control it myself just through practice throughout the years. And you just can't let that stuff stop you from making a jump in your life to better control the trajectory of where you're going in your reality, because we only live one time. Death is the ultimate part of life, so why have anxiety about anything else? Because no matter what, we're all going to the same exact place. That's why I had to make my decision to, even if there's a little bit of suffering in my decision for a while, I think in the long run I'll be happier and I'll be able to do more things. Just have control of my own reality. And that's one of the things that most people just don't have anymore. They're suffering, getting up and going to a place they don't want to be, and unhappy, and just miserable every single day. And I don't think that that's the way life is supposed to be lived. Take a jump. Even if it's rough, even if it's scary, I think it's the best option is to be afraid for a little while for a better reality in the future. And that's the main reason why I quit my job. The pandemic was a reason, but that's probably the main reason, is because I was reading in this journal. This is like at the beginning of 2019, I started writing in this and I almost filled it up. And I was going back reading some of it around that time of right when the pandemic hit, and I was still working for the corporation that I was. And I was very unhappy in this journal. I was not a happy person, and I had to make that decision just through my reading it, that I was miserable. I was a robot. I was being controlled. And that's how it is in a 9-to-5. You are going to be controlled unless it's something that you genuinely enjoy more than anything. Then I guess you can be happy doing that. But I cannot be happy when someone sets a schedule for me and I cannot live and do the things that I want to do and be an artist. And there's just not enough time in a day for me to do things for other people whenever I need to do the things that make me happy for myself. Before death, the ultimate thing in life. That's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to talk about. And I haven't made a video in a long time, and I just thought that I needed to, for myself and for you guys, I need to change a lot of things in my life. I do. And this is a part of it, is making these videos so I have memories in the future to look back on. That's why I started YouTube, so that I could look back on memories of myself. And I have changed drastically. I gained weight a little bit over this whole process, and I'm just not as happy as I used to be way whenever I was actually with the vape industry. That was a good time in life. It really was. I didn't know how good I had it until I left to a corporational job, and then I was miserable. But that's the decisions we have to make to find out what we really want to do. And now I'm trying to make up for it and change everything for the better. All right, my friends, it's been a long time. Thank you so much. I hope you all are doing well. If you want to subscribe to the channel for future content, I know that's like rough for me to say because I jumped off for like a whole entire year. Do it. Subscribe so you can see more content, or check out some of my other videos. Also, like this video, share it with some friends who maybe need a positive jump. It might help them out. You just never know. People who are suffering with anxiety and things, have a conversation with me. Let me know in the comment section below. Hit me up on Facebook, Instagram. I'll leave them in the description below. And let me know what you think about some of my creations and my artistry and the things that I do. And if you want something, let me know in the Instagram below in the description box. Have a good day, my friends. Take care.